The SmartZone location tree provides 4 different views into the physical and logical topology of your network. In this video, we will describe each of the 4 views, show you some basic navigation and conventions used, and finally describe a little bit about what each view is used for. We'll begin with the network view, which displays a hierarchical view of the physical locations within your network. The Groups view provides a different view of the network equipment based on logical, user-defined groupings rather than physical location. For example, a user could define a group to track all blade servers, regardless of the physical rack locations. Unprovisioned view can be thought of as a holding area for devices that have been discovered on the network, but that we haven't moved to the appropriate network nodes. In-transit view works together with SmartZone asset tracking to provide a holding area for assets that you are moving from one location to another. Throughout the location tree, you will notice that the icons may have different colors. Green indicates a healthy location with no measurements outside specified ranges. Amber indicates that at least one health category has exceeded the normal range and is approaching a threshold. Red indicates that one or more health categories have exceeded threshold limits. We should also point out at this time that you may see other icons on the location tree that are not represented in this example. Items on the location tree of the network view are represented on the worldwide map of the main SmartZone display, with the same icons and the same color designations. In addition, if you open the status pane, you can see the same locations and nodes again, this time with real-time health indicators for capacity, power, temperature, and more. If you see a small triangle next to the node in the location tree, that indicates that you can drill down to see what locations, cabinets, devices, and ports exist within that node. Here you can see that we can open the UK location and then open the data center to see the racks it contains. Groups displays a list of user-defined logical groups for equipment that may be related without residing in the same location. For example, here you see the US Cabinets group, which contains a logical collection of US cabinets that the system administrator has chosen to put together. Unprovisioned displays the list of assets that we have discovered but not yet assigned to the appropriate nodes in the location tree. You may want to watch our video on how to add new discoveries for more information on how to do this. Finally, the in-transit view works with the asset management system to track equipment that is moving from one location to another. Here you see that we have a technician assigned to the move, and below that, the actual asset, a demo server, that will be moving. You can click on the asset to see the front and back elevation view and get more details.